y'all, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm just going to show you guys my basic natural looking everyday makeup routine. Nothing much to it, but I wanted to come back and follow up after my makeup tutorial I did about a year ago with some high-end versus drugstore makeup. This time I'm just using a nice affordable makeup you can find at any drugstore, Walmart, or anything like that, and I really like it, so I'll show you what I do to get this everyday look. Alright guys, stay tuned.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
So I'll be starting off on a fresh face, and this is what I'm going to use today, the NYX Born to Glow. Let's see, I'm using this in the color Cocoa. And I really wanted to do this because, like I said, the last time I did a makeup video was probably like a year ago. I was doing high-end makeup versus affordable drugstore makeup. And this time I just wanted to come give y'all an everyday look with this affordable makeup that I found. I actually did not feature this one in the video. I think I found it like sometime after, but I love how it matches my skin. And since I don't wear makeup like every day, it's one of those makeups that I grab for if it's not like a special occasion or something like that, or if I want to do just like an everyday look like I'm doing today and I'm not really going anywhere or doing anything special, I'll grab this makeup. But it is because I do still have the Makiage and I do still have some MAC, so that's the only reason I say that. But this also can be like your only makeup too. It's perfect for that. So I always start out doing my eyebrows. I have this Total Temptation by Maybeline brush. It is actually an eyebrow brush, but I only use it for the brush part, but it has a pencil part here too. So I just brush them out. I've already moisturized my face, but I'm going through, I don't know, a skin irritation. But you do want to make sure your face is nice, clean, and moisturized before putting makeup on top of it. Alright, so now that I have that brushed out, a friend of mine gave me a really good tip, and especially for us beginner makeup people and people who don't really know what makeup to wear, know what makeup to not wear, people who don't really know what to wear on the face, go to your hair store, girls. So I bought this from the hair store. It's called HD Concealer, off-brand hair store brand. I will say this before I put this on. I used the concealer for my eyebrows. I did go a little light with this color. I could go darker and it would be easier to blend. All I do is put this on my hand right here. And then I take one of these tools, and I like how this one has the edge right here. I just dab it. Gives me that nice clean look like I've just, arched my brows. And pretty much all you're doing is just outlining your natural brow. Okay, and that's that. Sometimes with the rest of this, I'll put it underneath my eye to brighten it. And then there are other places you can also put it, but this is just a simple everyday look. And I don't want to waste the concealer that I already got on my hand. Done with the concealer. My eyebrows I like to blend with a bristle because I've learned the blender brush. I don't know, it seems like it's a little bit easier for me to blend with a bristle brush. And then I'll do my under eye with the blender brush. And then maybe come back and blend this after with the blender brush. But at first, I like to do a bristle. And guys, this is my way. Like I said, I try and keep things simple. I'm not like a makeup artist. I don't really watch makeup videos. I just do what I do and do what works for me. And I figure it was simple enough and nice enough that I will share it with you. So the eyebrows are the most time consuming portion. Of course, I'm not going to be doing any concealer or highlight or anything like that. I don't really do that. I do have a palette though that shows me basically, and I can show you, it shows me, oh, I think I got it from the hair store too. It shows me where to put like each color. So it's like a bronzer palette that has highlight in it, and then it shows you where to put it on the face. So like seriously, I get like dummy makeup stuff. Even my eyeshadow palettes that I buy from the store. I don't know if all eyeshadow is like this, but it'll kind of be like numbered or show you what color to put where on your eyelid. So that's why I'm like, I'm keeping this simple, but it's because that's what I know. So I'm just continuing to shape my eyebrows. That's why I like kind of pulling them out to here, because you can do this and kind of shape the front of the eyebrow. And then, yeah. So as you can see, if I didn't have like a lighter color, it would be a little bit easier to blend. And I kind of noticed that halfway through using this, my concealer is almost gone. So it's no big deal, I mean, but as for you, and if you're going to buy one, or you're interested in like why this is so light, you want to go a little bit darker. Let me go get that palette so I can show you. So this is the palette. I'm pretty sure I got this from the hair store, but don't quote me on that. You can always Google it. And this is what I mean. 3 different colors. This shows you what they're used for, and then it shows you where they go. So yeah, girl, I am keeping it simple because that's just how I do anyway. I'm just gonna blend my under eye a little bit. And then go back up and see if I can blend this a little bit more. Ooh, I do want to say, I did find some really good mascara from the hair store too. I don't have it with me because I ran out. Today I'll be using Maybelline. I usually don't use that Rocket Lash. It's okay, but I like the one that's like gold and purple and yellow and purple. I forgot what it is. I may put it on the screen or in the description box. But yeah, Maybelline is pretty much my go-to. Please excuse my skin irritation. But I did really want to do this video for you guys. So my skin is nice and moisturized. It's just a little bit irritated, and that's why it looks a little like that. Alright y'all, so now that my eyebrows are done, this is the easy part. So I'm just gonna use some of this foundation. I used to use this blender brush. I used to use like these, I mean not blender brush, but this blender. I used to use blenders like a lot, but one day I was in Target. Don't buy this one. Too bad I can't tell you the brand because it freaking broke off. It was probably on the other side of the handle. So I like the brush part. I probably wasn't supposed to touch my brush like that, but anyway. And then I got this one, Wet n Wild. So this is another thing that can get expensive brushes. So this Wet n Wild brush, I want to say the 2 brushes I just bought were like under $3 from Target. They might be cheaper at Walmart too. There might have been too much up here anyway. Take that off. But yeah, this is, I'm gonna just hold it on my finger in case I need it as I go. And I just go in a circular motion. And yeah, apply the foundation. And as you can see, it's like a perfect match. And it still gives you a nice, even face. But yeah, so brushes can be super expensive as well. The cheapest of something is not always the best way to go, as you can see. But just as a beginner, you know, I didn't know if I liked brushes because I was using blender sponges. So I didn't want to, you know, pay $20 for a brush, and I didn't know if I like brushes or not. But yeah, I will say I do like brushes, so I'll be getting another one. Maybe even a set of brushes. So yeah, and then for my edges, since I did leave my edges, well, I thought I did. I can never find a good edge control. Look at all that. What's going on? But yeah, I'll just put some more makeup on my brush and just kind of dab, so that way I can blend it but not mess up my edges. And it doesn't look crazy because you see that evident line of demarcation where your scarf was. I just dab. Dab on top of my edges. That side is just so messed up. So, because I learned, I'm gonna try it now. But I learned that if you put gel on after you put foundation, see, yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I knew better. It'll get like this weird pasty look. Let me see. Yeah, it was, I was better off leaving that alone. Okay, it's just gonna, this is just gonna be my good side, that's all. Alright, and it's blended. Now the only thing is my lips. I am just going to keep it super simple. So this is a, let me put this back down. So this is a Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. So yeah, this is an eyeliner. So, but I bought this with my money, so I do what I want. And I'm just gonna do a little liner there. I laid it on a little thick because I'm just going to take some handy dandy Vaseline, put it on my lips. Yeah, I'm just being too real with this basic makeup tutorial because that's how I do it. I do the basics and I like it. So yeah, that's it, guys. That is my face. My face is done. And now I go out for the day. So let me take this off just to get a cute little, I don't know. Maybe I'll go do my intro now. But yeah, so this is my face using NYX. I think this is like, it's like under 10 bucks. Let me give y'all the good side. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. This is it. Like I said, just a normal, natural look, everyday look with using a really nice, affordable makeup. I really like it. I've been using it for a while. So yeah, if you don't want to spend $30 or so on some makeup, and you know, and you're just a beginner and you're not even sure if makeup thing is for you, try this makeup. I'm sure you can find it at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, and yeah, I really like it. So in the last clip, I forgot to put my mascara on, so this is just it with the mascara. And yeah, catch y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.